What's up guys, my name is Joe and I'm here in sunny California thanks to Bosley, who are the world leaders in hair loss restoration. 3 months ago, we ran a competition for one of you guys to win a permanent hair loss treatment with Bosley. And after reviewing all of our submissions, we've got our winner, Mr. Travis.
So I'm just like a little bit flabbergasted right now. That's really cool. I guess like it hasn't hit me yet that I like won this competition. Maybe in like a few hours or something, I'm gonna be like, oh my God, I think it's gonna be an amazing experience.
Since that call, Bosley has flown both Travis and I out to LA, which is where we are right now. So let's make this happen.
Just starting out, when I noticed my hair loss, I just noticed that there was a difference in my ability to be able to express what I wanted to express. Noticing that me being the oddball out on a lot of situations, it shook my ability to be able to have that confidence within myself. And I wanted to do something about that, and I wanted to make something change on that.
So you guys have seen the temporary hair loss treatment videos on the channel before, but the main difference today is that this treatment is permanent. I've spent a lot of time with the experts upstairs, and the amount of detail and precision that they put into these procedures is crazy. So right now, Travis is in the consultation room right next to me. He's just with the doctors who are giving him the basics of what he can expect for the treatment.
Hair loss has been bothering Travis for a number of years. So he came in today for a consultation. His pattern is pretty much confined to the front, which is really nice. We can do a lot of work and a lot of good working in the front. So he'll get a really nice result. We're gonna restore his hairline, get him back a nice hairline, get hair behind that. So what that's gonna do is frame out his face and give him a totally different appearance.
When I first came in here, I was pretty nervous about it. I was a little bit excited, but now after talking to everybody and the whole Bosley team, I'm actually pretty excited about it. I'm a lot less nervous about it, and tension's dropped. It's a really comfortable environment.
Right, well it's officially time for the main event. Travis is all prepped up, he knows what to expect. It's time for the treatment. Let's check it out. So essentially, Dr. Deutsch is performing an FUE procedure, which basically means harvesting a certain amount of follicles from the back of the head and transplanting them into the areas that experience hair loss. In the case of Travis, the doctors are taking approximately 1,800 follicles from the back of the head and transplanting them into the front where Travis is experiencing hair loss. And this entire process is done by hand. Now, since we're not going to get to see the finished result this time around, I wanted to make sure that you guys could see what the treatment looks like on someone who has undergone the Bosley treatment in the past. Meet Jeff, the actor.
Well, hi there, my name is Jeff. I'm 40 years old and I am currently an actor in Los Angeles. And this is me just over a decade ago. I was enamored with movies as a kind of a movie fan and a wannabe movie guy. I noticed I started getting the kind of the little bird's nest and then the devil horns. I was probably late high school and I just was honestly just insecure.
After you've gone through the procedure and you started to see the results, what changed?
Honestly, the insecurities went away, as cliche as it is. I was just more happy and confident, and all those things you hear people say were true. And to get rid of that and those moments of kind of desperation and being uncomfortable in your environment, it just was peaceful.
The reason why the hair is removed from the back is because the follicles from the back of your head is resistant to a chemical called DHT, which causes hair loss. So by planting hair from the back to the front means that your hair will continue to grow as normal and will never fall out since it's DHT resistant. Of course, since this method requires the hair to regrow, we won't get to see instant results. It usually takes roughly 6 months or so to start seeing the fuller head of hair again. So in a couple months down the line, we'll get to see some footage from Travis to see his update and his new head of hair. It's a new day, the day after Travis went through the hair restoration treatment, and the first time that he's having his hair washed since the procedure. And before Travis heads off back home, I wanted to have a quick chat with him and see what his thoughts are of the whole experience. In regards to the Bosley experience as a whole, what were your expectations versus your reality?
So I went in there thinking that it was going to be a really painful, invasive experience, but honestly, it was completely different. I thought it was going to take a long time. It honestly only took a couple hours, and the team was great. I thought the team was going to be a little bit more strict, getting there just to get it done, but no, they really took attention to care and made sure that I was comfortable in the entire rim. The first thing I do when I get back into Eugene, Oregon is definitely show off to my friends and family and show them what a great procedure it was at Bosley.
So by now you probably have a pretty good understanding as to how Bosley works. And I've had an absolute blast hanging out with Travis and the whole Bosley team. I'm really looking forward to seeing Travis's results in a couple months from now. If any of you guys watching are interested in knowing more about potential hair restoration options for yourself, I've got a customized link in the description of this video. You just fill out a form and you can get all the information that you need to know and potentially get something like this done yourself. Bosley has like 70 different locations scattered throughout the US, so it's just about finding one near you. It's also important to note that if you are experiencing hair loss and you're considering a permanent procedure with Bosley, you probably don't want to wait too long, because the longer you wait, the more narrow your options may become. And with that said, guys, I hope you've learned some cool stuff today. Hope you've had a good time. I know that I have. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to check out all the Bosley information down below, and I'll be seeing everybody next time.